my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on building your first PyTorch solution. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Unicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. PyTorch is fast emerging as a popular choice for building deep learning models owing to its flexibility, ease of use, and built-in support for optimized hardware such as GPUs. Using PyTorch, you can build complex deep learning models while still using Python native support for debugging and visualization. In this course, you will gain the ability to get up and running by building your first regression and classification models in PyTorch. First, you will learn how to install PyTorch using pip and conda and leverage GPU support. Next, you will discover how to handcraft a linear regression model using a single neuron by defining the loss function yourself. You will then see how PyTorch optimizers can be used to make this process a lot more seamless. You will then understand how different activation functions and dropout can be added to PyTorch neural networks. You will round out the course by extending the PyTorch base module to implement a custom classifier. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to move on to installing PyTorch from scratch in a new environment and building models, leveraging and customizing various PyTorch abstractions.